Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here, and for today's video, let's unbox this Gel Smart PPE footwear. And this is new in the market. Say here, NARS approved, tested and trusted. Ortholite Comfort Foam insoles, extra light and eco. First, we need to open it. It's from weargels.com. Follow us at weargels. Look at the box, guys. It's so nice. They have a nice words here. For those who inspire us, from all of us at Wear Girls, thank you for being you, founder, CEO. Okay. Let's get in. Oh, look, guys. They have Gales Plus sticker, I think. Yeah. Code GalesBox15. So, this is a coupon, guys, for 15% off from Gales. Look at this. I have the glittery one, and it's size 8. This one. They have a pen, guys. Look at that. Out. Wow, guys, it's very light, guys. Very light from my Crocs. I will compare it later. So this is the shoes. This is how it looks like, and it's a waterproof. It's easy to clean. Wash it, dry it, and that's it. You're ready to go. This is from US brand, guys. So I like the shoes, how it look like here, and this is the back of the shoe. This is their logo, and it's extra light. It said here, and Gels Plus, and this is 8 for women and 6 for men. And this one, the logo here, they put it here too, like it's up to grip on the floor, especially when it's wet. And they have a different color, guys. I will put it in the side. These shoes too start from 5 to 13, and they have half size, so this is very good product. Try and buy it. It is worth it. But this is a feather light. You will love it, guys. One is only 10.1 ounces, these Gales, and I compare with this one with the Crocs clogs. This is 15.6 ounces. This is so thick, guys. You have to with thick socks with this, and it's really thick one, but it's a bit similar design. But this one is very lightweight, very like squishy and comfortable to wear. It's very more softer than the Crocs for sure, and this is very nice shoes. Let's check for the insole. The insole is foam, so it's a smart PPE footwear. You can wash it in the washing machine, and this one is easy to slip on, remove, but it's not stretchy. It will not stretch, but it will mold in your feet, and it's like waterproof. You can wash it or wipe it. Gel shoes offers all-day comfort, support, and protections, and it has ortholite insoles, and this is lip resistance and feather light. It's so light, and it's a shoes that has antimicrobial and waterproof, and it's eco-friendly, so this is very good for healthcare or not even healthcare. Anyway, guys, this is 2 holes here. Both they have it in the side for airflow, so you have like airflow inside. The Crocs one, they don't have airflow, so you feel hot in the shoes, but it's still good. This one, I wear it in my work for 8 months now, but I need to wear thick socks, because it's not comfortable if you wear thin socks. It's hurting my toes. Anyway, my feet is hurting with this if I'm not wearing thick socks. Shoes is very comfortable. And guys, the price of this one is $89.95 in their website, weargels.com. I will link the discount promotion in this video, so check it out, guys. And I will show it to you guys how it looks like. So good. Wow. So nice, guys, to wear. Oh my goodness. I like it, guys. It's so light and so comfortable, guys. Oh my. I love it, guys. I love the gray color too, because it's gonna match with every uniform that I have. Wow, so nice, so light, guys. It looks like you don't wear nothing. Try to put water in it, guys. Love these shoes, to be honest. It's so lightweight. And these shoes is true to size. Just order what size you have. It's very nice and it's easy to slip and it's easy to take it off. Shoes today at work. So far so good and it's comfortable, guys. I recommend it for you and hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching. See you in my next one.